Let's make banana bread together. These are the 7 ingredients you need. Add ½ cup of melted butter with 1 cup brown sugar. Mix it well. Add 3 mashed bananas, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. Mix it. Add 1 large egg, 2 cup all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon baking soda. Mix it well. Add 1 cup chocolate chips. Oil your baking pan. Put parchment or any non-stick paper. Sprinkle chocolate chips. Put in the oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour and 10 minutes. After 30 minutes, put foil paper. If knife comes out clean, it's cooked. Let it cool down for an hour, then slice it and enjoy.
Subscribe to our channel for more new recipes.